Plenty of room. Have to see. How would you like cruising off in this good-looking 2009 Ford Flex at a price like this? Awarded Consumer Guide's rating as a 2009 recommended mid-size SUV. New car test drive. For families who need a large vehicle, the Ford Flex offers everything you would want in the way of a satisfying and rewarding vehicle to own and drive. This Flex has plenty of passenger space and a hatch area with cargo room galore. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery.